Mayor Fowler and the council at the time had the vision to purchase this property to build a recreation facility for the city of Decatur and the citizens.
We'd always talked about recreation complex out here. We had total community support.
Mayor Fowler, the one thing that he was all about, he said, I want to do it right.
Their vision was that we had tournaments that would bring in people from all over the country. And we've had different folks, different regions. But one thing that everybody says when they leave is how great it is.
When we designed it, we took under consideration the dimensions of all the different type fields.
It looks like just soccer, but the 7-on-7 football, lacrosse, disc golf course, the walking trails, there's just not a better place to walk. The playgrounds, as you can see behind us and hear the kid, is a great part.
It was unique and creative and something that we could promote and market.
It's generated the revenue, and we knew that it would put us, the city of Decatur, on the map.
And when you come out here, everybody's smiling, everybody's having a good time. We're just doing what we enjoy doing.
I just wish everybody had the same feeling I have about how lucky we are to live in Decatur, Alabama, and enjoy facilities such as this, and how we've had people in leadership roles who have done things to make things better.